If you are a student coming to the United Kingdom, if you are coming to the United Kingdom as a skilled worker, like you got a job in the United Kingdom and you want to migrate here with your family or just yourself, then this video is definitely for you. In this video, I want to teach you guys how to get accommodation from your home country before you finally land in the United Kingdom. This is my story. This is what works for myself and my family. Guys, if this sounds interesting to you, this is what you want to watch, then this video is definitely for you. Come with me, let's go into the video. Let's go.
Nails are chipped, my ends are split. I flex my fancy bag, but we all know it's counterfeit. These jeans are thrift, my radish, I like my wine cheap, as we all know it does the.
Hello, positivity gang, gang members. It is your mama Positivity in the building with another banger. Guys, if you are new to my channel, my name is Adeze. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber. I'm a mom of two, a wife, and we currently live in the United Kingdom. Guys, welcome to my space. Please do well to subscribe to my channel and turn on post notification so that each time I drop an amazing video, you will be the first to get notified. To all my returning subscribers, you guys know you have a space in my heart. You guys are the real MVP. Thank you guys for always tuning in to support this small girl right in front of you. Guys, in this video, I want to teach you guys how you can get accommodation from your home country before you land to the United Kingdom. Guys, it is no news that of recent, there is a huge housing crisis in the United Kingdom. A lot of people come to the United Kingdom and they get stranded along the way. Some, their money finishes on Airbnb and they don't know what to do again because they have budgeted that highest within 1 week or 2 weeks of staying in the Airbnb, they will be getting their own apartment. And on the long run, this is no longer the case. You will see families coming to social media to cry out for an accommodation or ask people to help them because they are stranded. Guys, the worst thing that can happen to you as a parent is to bring your children to the United Kingdom and you get stranded. The worst thing that can even happen to you as an individual is to get stranded. You are not going to concentrate in whatever you are doing. Shelter is one most important thing that is underrated. But what do? We keep talking about it because it's when you have shelter, you can be able to think right and do whatever it is that you are doing. Hope I am right on this. Because of this, I decided to share my own secret and how I did it. On the 1st of December 2022, we'll make it exactly 2 months, we arrived in the United Kingdom. You guys, since then, we have been living comfortably in our house. And I have not had that issue of struggling to, moving from one accommodation to another. I decided, why not? Let me share the secret, how I was able to do this with my amazing family here on the YT. Of course, we learn every day. Immediately, I got my offer letter. Immediately, I started my visa application. I know, yes, we are coming to the United Kingdom. The next thing I started doing was to search for accommodation. Guys, this is what you should do. Go to the community you are going to. For example, I went to my company's Facebook page. When I was going through their profile on Facebook, I saw they shared a lot of posts from the community where my company is. Like, let's say Manchester, a community in Manchester, not Manchester, but the community in quotes. Okay, for example, guys, I traced that Facebook. I went there, I started searching to see if anybody posted for house. I also post telling them that myself and my family will be coming to so date. We are looking for a short-term accommodation. If anybody knows how we can go about it, or if anybody is willing to let us for a short term, let me know and let's discuss the bill. Luckily for me, someone have already made an advert post about an available shortlet, and this particular house is just a new build. We were the first tenants. What is short-let accommodation? Short-let accommodation are accommodations that you can let for a short period of time, ranging from 1 to 5 months. You can stay in this accommodation for up to 5 months or thereabouts. It's not a permanent let. Guys, it's the best thing that can happen to you. So I reached out to the house owner I told him he kept the house for £1,700. Mind you, it's a 2-bedroom house, fully furnished, and all bills inclusive. I met them and I said, this is too much for me. I can pay 1.5. They agreed. I even regretted why I did not, tell them a lower price so that we can start pricing. When I said 1.5, they agreed. They told me that we have to pay a deposit of £500 because in case you spoil anything. Yeah, that is a total of £2,000. Guys, aside the deposit, because I'm getting back my £500, if you divide £1,500 by 31st, as of October we came, that is £48 point something per night. Guys, this is far cheaper than all the Airbnb I set my eyes on. This particular method will save you a lot of money. It will save you stress and you'll be at peace. Guys, what did I do next? Because I was scared of scam and all that, although the landlord came to the house and did a video call with me, I wasn't convinced. I don't want to lose my money. I sent a colleague of mine to this house to help me do the viewing. He did the viewing and confirmed to me that it is legit. I paid my money to the landlord while still where I was. They gave us everything, the location, how to get here. The day we landed in the United Kingdom, we just drove straight to the house. The landlord was here to welcome us. He helped us to pack our things. So in your own case, try to look for a colleague in your company, okay, that can help you view the house. Or if you are a student, try and join your student community. Look for someone to help you view the house. If you are convinced with what you see, go ahead and pay the money. So far, the money you are paying it into a company's bank details. Now, this is the method we used. The first method I mentioned now is Facebook, right? Go to Facebook, not Facebook Market. The community you are going to, the exact community you are going to, go there and market that you are looking for a shortlet. The second option is go to Gumtree. When you come to Gumtree, you open the app, you will see where they go to properties, you will see holiday let. Click on holiday let. Put your postcode, like the postcode of where you are going to. Put your exact postcode. You will see the holiday accommodations around there. Look at a cheaper one. Guys, these things are far cheaper than Airbnb. Another one you can explore is go to Rightmove. Sometimes if you come to Rightmove, you will see some house that they market and they will say shortlet. Trust me guys, you can get this house before you even land the UK because it's a short accommodation. It's for the winter let. So what do? Apply online and tell them you are coming to so date since it's a short let. They will give you the house if you meet the criteria. Now, the next thing you can also do is to go to Google and type shortlet in Manchester. I am going to take you to Google now and let us explore it together. I've also referred this to a lot of friends that use this method to come and it is far cheaper than Airbnb. It will save you a lot of costs. Now, let's go to Google. Let me show you the exact keyword to search and get a very good shortlet accommodation before you come to the UK. Come with me. Let's Birmingham. Guys, look at these Sky Cottages. Sky Cottages is very I have used them for a friend and they delivered, okay? So let's see what they have got. So guys, for example, I choose Yorkshire, right? Now look at the houses they have in Yorkshire. This house now is for 4 guests. It have 2 bedrooms and it have 7 nights for £341, guys. If you divide 341 by 7 nights, guys, when you open, the next thing you should check is the house, the availability, okay? Now look at the house. Isn't this beautiful? Take a look. Can you see what you are booking for? Look at the kitchen, so beautiful. Guys, this is massive. Now, after checking this, you come down here and check the availability. Now, you check the availability here. Let's go to December 2022. You can see from first and second December is free. See, the house is even fully booked. What I'm trying to say, you can choose the number of nights you want. You can see, you can choose up to 28 nights, right? Then you check your money. The good thing is this, and for every 7 weeks for this house, you are paying just £341 per night. Guys, if you divide this thing by 7, how much are you getting? Divide this amount by 7, you are getting £48.7 per night, which is exactly what I am paying here. It is a good deal. Grab it. It's better than Airbnb. See this one too. This is for 2 bedrooms as well, and it's £379 per night. This way, just go through it and look for the cheaper ones, and you get the best thing. Guys, these houses, you can come in here, you can pay online. The day you are coming in, you go straight to your house. Don't even be scared. They are all legit. Okay, so now let's go to another one. Just put your postcode, right? If you come, you see where to put your postcode. Put your postcode and get started. So right move, short-term properties to rent in Birmingham. Can you guys see that? Even right move, you see right move to have short-let properties to let. Okay, this is costly. Just look for the cheaper one. See it, guys, £575 per month. Can you see that? And this is in central Birmingham. Okay, you look at it, this is just a short let. Guys, can you see that? You open it and contact them and know how you go about it. This is £672 per month. Very cheap. This is just somewhere you are staying with your family for a short period of time. Guys, see, this one is as cheap as 416 PCM per month. So guys, explore all these things I'm showing you. You can see these are all on open rent, right? Explore all these things I'm showing you and save yourself the stress of, going to Airbnb, staying for 2 weeks, moving to another Airbnb, spending unnecessary money. See another one, Magic Stay. Can you see the short-term rentals in Birmingham? Can you see this? You click on it and see their prices. Guys, explore whatever you got to explore. The aim here is to get a cheaper accommodation. Nobody is billing you. Nobody is saying you must take their own. Okay, what matters is a cheaper accommodation. See this one, instant booking. You book it wherever you are. You come in, you are going into your house. Just book for at least 1 month. This is what I will advise you. Okay, book for at least 1 month, so that you don't come here and start running helter skelter, right? Guys, this is just what this video entails. I have showed you the right keyword. You can also type holiday let. Okay, with holiday let, you see a lot of people that are letting their house to people for the holiday. Sky cottages are nice. Just go to their website and put your postcode. There is another one that I will recommend, Sweetcombe. Sweetcombe cottages. Guys, these people are super nice too. Okay, yeah. See this one again, travelnest.com. A lot of them, guys, they are not scammers. This is Sweetcombe, guys. My sister have used this one as well, and they delivered. They are not scam, and I recommended it for them. Okay, so look at this one too. You see family holiday cottages. Okay, you choose what you want. You see, so just choose it and then look for a cheaper one. That's my advice. See this one, Brandy Cottage. This is in Southampton. You see, you just check the availability and know if it is available when you are moving in. Always do the filter. Choose something that is available when you are moving in. Okay, then choose for up to 1 month. They are far cheaper, guys. They are cheaper. Choose for up to 1 month. Just relax and search the internet and get something that will suit you. That is the objective here. Getting something that is within your range, getting something that is within your budget. That is what you should look after, right? So I have shown you the term to use. Okay, either you say short let or you say holiday let. You see, book.passkeys.com. Can you guys see that? So all these things, I have shown you the way now. Share this video so that others will know the way as well. No need of people wasting money or coming here to be stranded. That's why I say before you travel, make sure you have enough money on you. Very, very important. I wanted this video to be short, concise, and straight to the point. I have shown you what to do, the keywords to search. All this that I show you, you can actually get them while you are home at your home country. Make your preparations, see the budget of what you have, budget for the money so you don't come here stranded. Houses are hard to get by. Guys, I don't want you to come here, you are stranded. Once you are stranded, it makes the whole thing miserable for you. Okay? Guys, you have seen this video. If you get value in this video, hit the like button, share this video to everyone that will benefit from it, and subscribe to my channel. Guys, please let others know about this so that people will know the best way to get these things done. A lot of people don't know about this. Trust me, Airbnb is quite on the high side. I cannot recommend because it's still high. And the funny thing is that they will start telling you to pay for cleaner, this one, this fee and that. No, but this house I just got it straight, and per night is 48 pounds point something, which is very, very cheap, right? So you guys, this is it. Relocation needs a lot of money. I keep saying this. Before you come over here, plan yourself very well. Plan how you are going to do things. Please, I'm begging you, subscribe to my channel. Let's take this channel to 10,000 before my birthday on the 28th of December. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. For now, bye.